My beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hi, my name is Tati. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you do, please be subscribed to my channel by clicking the subscribe button so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine, basically this look right here. And this is my everyday makeup. This is where when I feel like wearing makeup, or when I have a event to go to, a party. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I feel like wearing makeup, this is what I go with. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this everyday makeup routine, please keep on watching and empecemos. I'm gonna first moisturize my face. I'm gonna be using this A+D ointment, A+D ointment. I've been seeing so many good reviews about this for dry skin, and especially for people that have bumps like myself. I have to use this for 7 days to see any improvement. So this is gonna be my first time using this, actually my second time, because I just used it one time and then I stopped using it. So I want to keep going straight, and hopefully I can continue with it. Today is Wednesday, but by the time I post it, it's gonna be Friday, but today is Wednesday. So by next Wednesday, I should see result by next Wednesday. So hopefully, finger crossed, I continue using this. You just need a little bit because this is so greasy, like super greasy. So a little bit goes a long way, you guys. Let me tell you, for real, it goes a long way. The only thing I don't like about this is the smell. It has like this, oh my god, I cannot even explain the smell, but that's the only thing that really bothers me. I'm gonna take a little bit more and just apply it on my lips, because my lips are dry as well, so it needs to be moisturized. And this one says that it's amazing for skin because it's a diaper rash ointment and skin protecting. So hopefully it works, you guys. Hopefully it works. Okay, now that I have my moisturizer on, I'm gonna first start off with the eyes, and then I'm gonna finish with the rest of the makeup. I use different type of palette when I do my everyday makeup. When I feel like wearing makeup, I don't use the same palette over again. I switch out. Oh my god, I switch out the palette. So for today's palette, I'm gonna be using the Morphe 25A. That is the Copper Spice palette. This is how it looks like. So it comes with a plastic. I try my best to keep the plastic because the plastic is what has the name in it, but I don't think that will last. So this is how the palette looks like if you haven't seen it, but I know you guys have seen it. Before I start applying eyeshadow, I have to first apply my eyeshadow primer. But I don't use a eyeshadow primer. I actually use a concealer, because I think for me it's better with a concealer. Like the eyeshadow sets more with a concealer than with a eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. That is my holy grail concealer, and it's the one that I've been using in mostly all of my makeup tutorial or get ready with me video that I do. This is the concealer that I always use. I sometimes change my everyday makeup. I sometimes don't wear eyeshadow. I just wear my false lashes, apply mascara, wear my false lashes, and that's it. But sometimes I do wear eyeshadow. This concealer, and I'm gonna be using a color that is close to my skin color. This one is not closer to my skin color, but I'm just gonna use this one to set this concealer. So I'm gonna take a crease brush, and I'm just gonna take this color right here that is a brown color, and I'm just gonna be applying it on my crease as well as a transition color. And I always do my eyes first because I don't know if the palette that I'm gonna be using has fallout without messing up my foundation. I prefer doing my eyes first. So I'm gonna take this color here and I'm gonna be applying it on my lid, all over the lid. And there you have it. I just go for two colors. I go one for the crease and I go one for the lid, and that's it. Now I'm gonna move on with applying my mascara first before applying my lashes. And for today's mascara, I'm gonna be using this both Buxom Big Tease Plumping Mascara. This has been my holy grail mascara because I really like how the brush look. I love how thick it is from the inside and then it goes all the way thin on the outside. So it's amazing for my lower and top lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna take these lashes that I got for a product review that I did like a long time ago. I love how these lashes look. This looks like wispy lashes. I'm gonna apply eyeliner and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild 4G eyeliner. I love this eyeliner as well. It's so pigmented and really long lasting. Now that I'm almost done with the eyes, I'm just gonna apply some mascara for my bottom lashes as well. I'm gonna move on with my face. I'm not gonna prime my face. I'm just gonna use this as a primer as well. And I had to hide my dark circles, and I'm gonna be taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. Take my foundation, and for today's foundation I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm gonna be taking the color 10 and I'm gonna be taking the color Amber. So the first one that I applied was 10. Now I'm gonna take Amber. I'm gonna go to another concealer, but this time I'm gonna take the color Fawn, and this is the color that I'm gonna be using to highlight. I'm gonna go with the same brush and I'm just gonna set this concealer using the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder in Translucent. So basically I'm gonna bake. So I'm gonna contour with the BECCA Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer, and this one is in deep browns. And then I'm gonna just remove this powder that I bake with. I'm gonna take this Smashbox Ablaze face palette, and I'm just gonna bronze, and I'm gonna be using this color right here. I'm gonna mix these two colors here just to bronze on top of that crease, that contour that I did. And for blush, I'm gonna take this same palette, and I'm gonna be taking this one on the bottom. This is a shimmer blush, but I don't want to go for a shimmer blush, so I'm just gonna go with this matte blush on the bottom. Before I apply my highlighter, I'm just gonna set this makeup because I want to wet my face first before applying highlighter, so my highlighter can pop a lot more. So I'm just gonna set this makeup using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. And then I'm gonna go again with this Smashbox palette, and I'm gonna take this highlighter on the bottom, that is this gold color here. So for my lips, I'm taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Ashton. I'm just gonna apply some highlighters on the inner corner of my eyes just to make my eyes pop. And then I'm just gonna take it as well on my brow bone. And there you have it, my love. This is the complete look for this everyday makeup routine. This is one of those days when I feel like wearing makeup. This is what I go with. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you guys can be part of the TatyBeauty squad. And as well, turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I'm falling out of luck. I think you know what's up. I pour my troubles in a cup, and I keep falling out of luck. It's like Kylie Jenner, we can play, and I'll be riding with you every day.